This is Mr. Brown. Right now, what we're going to do is just kind of walk through a few problems where we're just following directions on a coordinate plane. It's essential to remember that whenever you're on a coordinate plane, the first number of the coordinate, so in this one, it says you start at 10, 4. So the first coordinate will always be on the X line. So you're always moving horizontally, and then the second number will be vertical. So you have horizontal, which is your first number, comma, your second number. So you're first either moving left or right, or you're moving up or down. So it says you start at 10, so I know I'm moving left or right first, so I'm moving right. I'm going to 10. And then it tells me to go to 4. So I'm going to go up to 4. So here I am at 10, 4. It says to move down 1 unit. So I'm literally just moving down the Y 1 unit. So what is my new coordinate, or where do I end? So I know my first number is 10. I only moved down 1 from 4, which is 3. So really, essentially what I do is do this. I say, okay, well, I know down is 10. So my first number is 10. My second number, I go up back to 3 because it told me to come down 1 from 4. And then I'm just going to go across, and I'm going to look where I am. Oh, I'm at 3. Perfect. So now I know my Y is 3. You submit your answer. And there you go. That was correct. And so let's do this second one. You start at 0, 3. You move down 2 units. So let's just first get to our coordinates. So we know we're at 0 because we don't have to move anywhere. We're at 0. Then we have to go up 3. There we are, up 3. We moved across our X and we moved up our Y. But it says move down 2 units from 3, 2, and 1. So what are my new coordinates? Well, I started at 0. My X is 0. I moved from 3 down to 1. So my new coordinate is 0, 1. Let's do one more. So 0 is my X, so I'm going left or right. So I'm going to go right, 0. So I'm going to start where I started. Start it from my starting point, I'm sorry. And then my Y is 8. So what do? I move up 8. So here I am moving up 8. It says you move right 9 units. So now it's telling me to go across my X from where I am. So now I'm at 8. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now, if I was at 0 across, now I'm at 9 across, but I'm still up 8. So my coordinates are not, don't make the mistake. Some would say, oh, well, my new coordinates is 8, then 9. But remember, you always do what the X is first. So across the X-axis, you would do 9. So my first number would be 9. But my second number remains 8 because I didn't move up or down. I just moved right. So now my new coordinates are 9, 8. So I'll do this last example. I'm going to just give you one more. And then from there, I need you to go ahead and try some by yourself. So it says you start at 10, 1. You move down 1 unit and left 10 units. Where do you end? So this one, guys, is actually going to be a 2 movement problem. So a 2-step equation or a problem. So let's look at this. It says we start at 10. So I'm at 10. We start at 1. Okay, 10, 1. So I went right 10. I went up 1. It says you move down 1 unit. So now I'm at 10, 0. But it says I move left 10. So I move left 10. So now my new coordinates are 0, 0. All right. So go ahead and get you some practice in. And if you need any help, make sure you call your teacher or myself, and I'll be glad to help you out because we want to make sure you know how to read coordinate planes.